The following is a true story. It happened exactly as you'll hear it. They walked in tandem, each of the 92 students filing into the already crowded auditorium with rich maroon gowns flowing, and the traditional caps, well, they looked almost as grown up as they felt. Dads swallowed hard behind broad smiles, and moms freely brushed away tears. This class would not pray during the commencements, not by choice, but because of a recent court ruling prohibiting it. The principal and several students were careful to stay within the guidelines allowed by that ruling. They gave inspirational and challenging speeches, but no one mentioned divine guidance, and no one asked for blessings on the graduates or their families. The speeches were nice, but they were very routine until the final speech. It received a standing ovation. A solitary student walked proudly to the microphone. He stood still and silent for just a moment, and then it happened. All 92 students, every single one of them, suddenly sneezed. The student on the stage simply looked at the audience and said, "God bless you, each and every one of you," and he walked off stage. The audience? Well, the audience exploded into applause. The graduating class found a unique way to invoke God's blessing on their future, with or without the court's approval.